I don't know which one is the worst, not having enough tool or have a bad table like this and you have to work on it, especially if you are like me and making content. So if I'm putting a camera like this and zooming in and I'm working here, and when that table is moving, it will be annoying for you and you're not going to be focused on one area. So that's the problem I have with these tables. It's not good for working. Even I put one for the printer. With the weight it's good, but when I'm putting on the fast printing it shakes a bit. And another problem I have, when I'm designing I have to sit over there and get up when I send a file to the printer. Sometimes you have to tweak it a bit, you have to go over there and fix it again. Either you have to sit down again to do any fixing while you are standing, because the screen not gonna be in your eye level, so it will be hard to focus, especially on detailed areas like this. So we have a solution for that and I wanted to share with you. Flexispot reached out to me for their working and standing desk, which is E7 Pro. It's a motorized and standing desk, so you can work on it while you are sitting or standing. Alright, we have the boxes. Here's the table, which I choose bamboo color. I didn't like white color because it doesn't have any vibe, either that color or bamboo. And this is the frame, and one of them is the leg and motors. So we're gonna unbox them and put it together. Alright, I had to show you because the quality already looks very nice, and you can tell these are very thick and heavy duty. They put these so you don't damage it while shipping, but it's very good. You can tell they put so much effort with the packaging and foaming, so it will be protected while shipping. Alright, all these was in 2 boxes. The wood was in 1 box and the legs in 1 box, and now we have this, which is the cable tray, and also the bottom part, which the legs and the table will be fastened together. Alright, here are all the parts from the 3 boxes. Now we have the manual and we're gonna put it together. And the manual is very easy. It will show you all the steps. Alright, that's pretty much it. I was following the instructions exactly and it was very easy. Here's the main cable and this is the cable tray, which we're gonna have to put it after we flip it over on the legs. So let's do it. Alright, that's pretty high. Now we're gonna put the cable tray and also the cover. The thing I like it the most, before reaching to the point, it slows down and then it stops. It's not like stops right away. It slows down and makes the process way softer. So now what I'm thinking to turn it around and have that controller in the other side, so when I'm sitting over there and printing, and then I can sit or stand and working on the project, and it will be really nice to work like this. There's another feature that I really like about it. If we raise it up, let's say we are in this position and we're gonna lower it down, but there is something holding it but you are not aware of. So I'm gonna push it a bit so it will be on that table. Now I'm gonna lower it down. Whenever it feels something under it, it's not gonna go lower, it will raise it right away. This is Flexispot E7 Pro. They have many different colors from the wood and also the frame. I'm really excited to work on it and put it here, but let me guys know, should I put it over there to use it while I'm designing, or should I use it here on my projects? Flexispot's website will be in the video description box below if you wanna check it out. Thanks to Flexispot for sending me this amazing product. More updates coming soon for this project. Today I printed this and I had to tweak it a bit because now I'm thinking about to 3D print the glass, and the glass will be holding on with bolts and it will give the integrity to the panels. More about that, it will be very soon. I think I did very good decision with this color because it's not reflective and I can see the bolts very easily. But yeah, let me guys know, should I put it over there or keep it here for working? Hope you guys enjoyed this little update on my studio and working area. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.